This is a design I'm working on here on Canva. I have 6 pages down here and I want to duplicate these pages. Instead of going into each of them and clicking these 3 dots to duplicate them one after the other, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come over to the grid view here and you see my 6 pages. I'm going to select all, everything is selected, and I'm going to click on duplicate 6 pages. We see it has duplicated it. These ones are still selected. If I still want to duplicate it more, as much as I want to, I'm going to duplicate these pages. This is how easy it is to duplicate multiple pages in Canva. And when you're done, you can click on the close grid view here and you have as much pages as you can think of. You see we have 42 pages. Like this video if you got value from it. Do have a good one.